Hello, I'm Deepthi, Director of Product for Google Play.
And I'm Tom, Group Product Manager for Google Play. Over the past year, our teams have been laser focused on building exciting new features and making major changes to help you thrive with us throughout the life cycle of your business.
Google Play is dedicated to helping you stand out from the crowd, reach and engage billions of people in 192 markets around the world, and run your businesses safely. We all succeed together, and we continuously reinvest what we collect to support developers and help the whole ecosystem flourish. In many ways, it's a really exciting time to be an app developer with new technologies like AI and innovative new form factors and devices that delight people. But we also know that the last year has been a really challenging time to run an app or game business. The market is competitive, so how can you differentiate and cut through to not only first-time users, but drive deep engagement across your life cycle? The challenges can be complex. For example, how do you efficiently monetize huge but varied international audiences? And there are inherent risks associated with being a part of such a large industry and ecosystem. So how can you run your business safely? Well, the good news is you don't have to do it alone. We have made many updates and changes aiming to help in 3 areas: being the best partner to help you grow your audience across the life cycle of your business, being the best platform to effectively monetize your users at scale, and being the safest place to publish and distribute your hard work on Android. Tom, do you want to kick us off?
Thanks, Deepthi. Attracting users is the foundation of any app business, and it all starts with your store listing. For app businesses of every size, from those just starting out to long-time players, we've been continually iterating to enhance listings to help you craft better and more personalized content that can convert and drive more audience growth. Last year's launches, including the ability to create at least 50 custom store listings, enabled you to personalize screenshots, videos, descriptions, and even app icons for users in different countries by pre-registration status or via deep links to connect to your marketing user journeys. Soon, you can also tailor your message to inactive users, highlighting why they should give your app or game another chance. And launching very soon, custom store listings for Google Ads app campaign ad groups. By sharing your app campaign ad group ID with Play Console, you can now direct users from ads on YouTube or AdMob to custom store listings, enabling you to create a more seamless user experience from Google Ads to the Play Store with consistent messaging and creatives, all of which may increase your overall conversions. This feature will be available in Play Console for Android app campaigns, and we're working with the Google Ads team to evolve the Google Ads UI experience to increase its impact for you in the future. Of course, all of these new tools mean managing more listings. That's why today we're launching store listing groups to help you keep track of it all. Simply create a base listing and then override specific elements to customize for each audience. Maybe you want to leverage your latest event by showing different content to users from your own microsite versus those seeing your ads on YouTube versus users in Mexico, with each group getting a custom, high-performing experience. Now, taking advantage of all these features means generating more content, which isn't always easy or quick to do. So, we're really excited to bring Google's cutting-edge generative AI technology to help you with this. Starting today, when you're writing a listing, you'll be able to invoke an AI helper. By giving it just a couple of prompts, like an audience and a few key features they might be interested in, it will draft a new listing for you. This is an experimental feature to help you draft better content with less effort. You can edit or discard any suggestions, so you're always in control of what you actually publish. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Another way we use AI to help you is with translation, because connecting with people in their native language can really make a difference to your growth and retention. We just launched more machine translation features in Play Console, which use new machine translation models for 10 languages from Google Translate. It can translate your app and store listing in minutes, and it's available today at no extra cost to Play developers. To learn how to get the most out of these new features, check out Google Play Academy for hands-on training, including the updated Store Listing Certificate learning path. So, that was all about acquisitions, but there's even more. Deepthi?
We aim to be a partner for you across your lifecycle. This means understanding when you have important events, new content, or exciting offers to share, and making sure that we throw our reach and platforms behind supporting them. This is especially important for more established and content-heavy titles which appeal and resonate with our diverse audience. One way to do that is with promotional content, which is already live for almost 25,000 apps and games and rolling out to more titles later this year. For larger, high-quality apps with great content and quality assets, running a high-priority event can boost your visibility across the Play Store. This includes displaying your event listing in exclusive areas, increasing the chance of users discovering you on high-traffic surfaces, and even advocating for you via our notifications. This is holistic, cross-play support for your most important moments. It's not just about a single specific place in the store. It's leveraging all of Play to bring you to your users. In fact, we have built multiple new dedicated surfaces to showcase your most exciting content. You can see this in our new homepage and search experiences, which highlight the most exciting events and opportunities from across Play. Many apps and games running events with us are already seeing meaningful uplifts. Participating games are seeing a median uplift in store-wide acquisitions and reacquisitions of 20%, driven by increases of over 60% from our organic Explore traffic. Individually, many partners have been impressed with their results. For instance, while running a recent high-priority event with us, Gardenscape saw an almost 40% increase in store-wide user acquisitions and over 123,000 individual users interacting with the event directly on Play and opening or installing their game. And Forge of Empire's St. Patrick's Day event boosted their visibility across Play, driving 68% increase in store-wide acquisitions and reacquisitions and over 10,000 conversions. The same Play experiences that are driving this for games are now rolling out for apps. So everyone with a high-quality title with access to promotional content can potentially benefit. As well as enhancing how and where your promotional content is viewed on Play, we are continually updating our reporting too, so you can track and optimize your event's performance. Our latest update enhances the data we give about the direct impact of individual events, including impacts due to an event changing user behavior or simply reminding someone that your app or game is evolving. We automatically create small control groups. By comparing these cohorts of people who did see your content, we estimate the total number of additional active days running an event with us generated. This includes long-term uplift, like when someone remembers why they loved your game and comes back again and again. These insights can be valuable to track the value of your event's visibility and direct interactions on Play, and to allow you to compare the long-term impacts of different events so you can learn, iterate, and optimize over time. If you've already got access to promotional content, check it out in the Play console under Promotional Content Performance Reports. Now, to be eligible for these new growth opportunities on Play, your app and game needs to meet certain quality guidelines and deliver the great experiences your users expect. Because it is so important, we are sharing more insights into how we think about quality and improving our tooling to help. Today, we launched a public framework for app and game quality that explains how we consider quality across a number of dimensions. To learn more, check out our session, What Great Quality Looks Like on Play, where we'll walk through this framework in more detail and provide examples of what high-quality apps look like. Considering technical quality specifically, last November we announced a new per-device quality bar and redefined our crash and ANR metrics to be more user-centric. Since then, we have made further improvements in Android Vitals, including tips on how to debug your ANRs and in some cases even how to fix them. One cause of technical issues in apps can be SDKs. When this happens, it's often difficult to debug and resolve the issue. We now facilitate communication directly between SDK partners and app developers, where SDK providers can give guidance to app developers about crashes involving their SDKs. We show that guidance in Play Console on the crash details page. Just look for the crash note icon on your Android Vitals page. We'll also send inbox messages if your app is impacted. From driving acquisitions with customized listings, to leveraging Play's reach to support important events, to providing free-to-use localization tools, I am really excited about these updates and the impact they can have on your growth. But that's not all we have to share with you. Next, Tom's going to talk about how we are working to help you monetize your apps and games more effectively.
We understand that now more than ever, the bottom line really matters to app and game developers. That's why we're rolling out new features that leverage Play's reach, expertise, and technologies to help you more effectively generate revenue from your audiences. For example, rolling out soon is a new type of promotional content called featured products that allow you to sell your in-app items directly on Play. With billions of visitors, Play is one of the world's largest stores for your items. You can feature specific IAPs in different countries to tailor your international offer, and even offer discounts to excite people and increase conversions. So, start thinking about which items you might want to sell on Play, and look out for an invitation to start using featured products in Play Console Inbox in the coming weeks. Also launching very soon is a feature I've personally heard many developers ask for: price experiments for in-app products. Just using Play Console setup with 0 code changes, you can test out different prices for one or many in-app products in one or more countries, and then apply the winning price changes directly from the interface. This allows you to quickly and easily optimize your pricing strategies for different markets and experiment to find where you might be pricing yourself out of a sale or even undervaluing your own items. So if you use Play Billing, look out for price experiments launching in the next few weeks. And if you're wondering where to start, then Strategic Guidance in Play Console is a great database source of inspiration, highlighting country-specific opportunities for buyer conversion. We've also made new updates to subscriptions, helping you expand your reach, increase your conversions, and improve retention. Last year, we launched subscription offers, allowing you to create multiple offers per subscription, upgrade offers, regional offers, and the ability to determine offer eligibility. This year, we've launched multiple prices per billing period, allowing you to provide different auto-renewing and prepaid plan prices, such as giving VIP users a recurring discount. You can find out more in our monetization talk, Boost Your Revenue with Play Commerce. Finally, we're also working to increase the effectiveness of your marketing to sales funnel. Last year, we launched a new Play Console page dedicated to deep links. This page flags broken deep links and gives contextual guidance on how to fix them. This can be vital, as deep linked experiences can drive 2x conversion rates and really help to improve mobile ROI. Coming soon, we'll make it easier for you to rationalize your web to app mapping with a new convenient way to review your top website URLs along with their deep link status. This can help you identify top performing URLs that are not yet deep linked in your app. To help you validate your deep links, we're adding a simple way to compare your app and your web experience for a given URL side by side, so that you can easily make sure that your deep links are leading users to the right place in the app. You can find out more in our Deep Links talk, Optimize App Experiences with Deep Linking. All of these updates, from enabling you to sell products on Play, to optimizing your business with experiments and subscription innovations, to driving better deep links and conversions, can help you to continue to monetize your app or game at scale.
Another important part of building a successful app business is protecting your users and your business. That's why we have continued to invest in tools to help you protect your apps and games from abuse and attack. Play Integrity API lets you check that user actions and server requests are happening in your unmodified app running on a genuine Android device. This lets your backend server respond with appropriate action to prevent abuse, cheating, unauthorized access, and attacks that can harm users. Today, we are excited to share that you will be able to get Play Integrity API verdicts 10 times faster using standard requests, which are new and in beta. Standard requests take a few hundred milliseconds on average and can be made on demand to check any action. We are renaming the existing option for requesting integrity verdicts to classic requests. You can decide if your apps and games make standard, classic, or both types of requests. We also know reliability is important. So we have also launched a website where you can monitor Play Integrity API service status and be notified of any issues. Check it out at status.play.google.com and let us know what other Play and Android services you want to see added. If your apps and games run offline, or you just want a DRM-style one-click solution without the trouble of integrating an API in a backend server, we are also expanding access to automatic integrity protection. We have recently released a new version of automatic integrity protection that applies stronger protection for native heavy games. Turn it on in Play Console to get Play's protection against tampering and piracy added to your app's code automatically. Developers who use these products have seen a reduction of more than 80% in unauthorized access to their apps and games on average. Occasionally, despite best testing efforts, apps break. It could be due to a bad release or because the app is outdated or no longer supported by the developer. To help you deliver the best experiences to your users, we are building tools to help you steer users away from broken app versions by prompting them to update. The tool doesn't require any prior integration and will be available to all apps built with app bundles in the coming months. We are also continuing to improve Google Play and Play Console to help you provide safe, trustworthy experiences to your users. We know that while you're working hard to run your businesses, you are also trying to stay on top of our policies. These help keep users safe by keeping harmful content out of Google Play and by making it easy for users to understand how their devices and data are being used. Our policies change as the needs of our users change. But we have heard from you that keeping up on top of all of these changes can be a challenge. So we are excited to introduce the newly redesigned app content page. It makes outstanding tasks clearer so you can more quickly identify the things you need to do. Over the next few months, we are adding more information about upcoming policy declarations to help you understand which apply to you and consequences of not complying or when you need to submit by. You can use this page to learn about changes even before they are available in the console, giving you just that little bit more time to plan. Another safety initiative the Data Safety section launched to consumers last year to help you explain what data your app may collect or share and why. Now, we are enhancing this feature with new policy requirements and data deletion features because deleting an account should be as easy as creating one. You can showcase how you treat your users' data responsibly and build trust that they have transparency and control over their personal data. With this new data deletion feature, you can also give your users more choice. Instead of only offering users an option to delete their entire account, you can add an option for users to clean up their account and request other data to be deleted, like activity history, images, and videos. Fill out the new questions in the data safety form in Play Console today so you can take action on feedback before the deadline. Last year, we also announced the Privacy Sandbox on Android, an industry-wide initiative to raise the bar for user privacy. With Privacy Sandbox, we are developing solutions for digital advertising that limit user data sharing and do not rely on cross-app identifiers. In February, we began the next phase and rolled out the first beta for the Privacy Sandbox on Android to eligible devices. If you are an ad technology provider, the Privacy Sandbox is ready for testing. If you are an app developer who works with third parties for advertising-related services, ask your providers about their roadmap and how you can participate in testing the Privacy Sandbox. Check out the link shown here for the latest developer guidance.
Lastly, we understand that being able to keep on top of critical issues and being able to respond rapidly can be key to effectively running your business. So I'm excited to share the newest iteration of the Play Console app, rebuilt around your needs as they are today. The new app is more customized, so you can tailor the homepage with the metrics you care about most and edit those selections if your priorities change. Play Console Inbox is fully integrated with customizable notifications, so you can keep up to date with new or critical messages or warnings while you're away from your desk. And the most popular features of the old app, such as being able to view and instantly reply to reviews, are still there at the tap of a screen. You can join the open beta on Android by searching for the app on the Play Store and clicking Join the Beta. We look forward to getting your feedback. As Deepthi said, we understand how exciting and how challenging building and running a mobile business can be. And our teams are dedicated to building the tools and opportunities you need to help you succeed, to help you grow, to help you monetize, and to ensure that you can do that on a trusted platform in a safe environment. So, from me,
And from me, thanks so much for tuning into What's New in Play 2023. And we look forward to seeing the amazing businesses we grow together.